Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a question that came today, which is on a scale of 1 to 10, how do I like Windows 11 and versus Windows 10? And this is a difficult question because if there is someone that can adapt really, really well to changes in new operating systems, it's me. So I do not reflect the reality of the majority of people. Personally, Windows 11 is fine for me. If I'd give it a score, I'd give it a score of, I don't know, 7.5 out of 10. I pretty much never had any problems. And, it's easy to see all the negativity and all the people complaining of problems. That the problem is that there are a very small amount of people that have problems and a very small amount of people that are necessarily unhappy, but they're the ones that we hear. People rarely go and say, hey, I love this. But people will go and say, oh, I hate this, or I have problems with this, or so they're the ones that get the biggest, voice out there. Personally, I loved Windows 10. Windows 10 was among my favorites in operating system, but I'm extremely happy to be in Windows 11 and find that it's more modern and I'm continuing on. I have no more PCs running Windows 10 here, and I don't see why I should have. And that's my personal take on it because I'm okay with Windows 11. I like Windows 11. There are things to fix. There are a lot of stuff that is a little messed up. There's also a lot of good things that are very interesting in it. And I think that it's not worth the negativity that everybody gives it. And I think a lot of it has to do with a small amount of people trying to give it as much of a negative feel as possible for some reason, either because of the minimum requirements or whatever. When I see comments here that says all Windows 11 is garbage, that is not an argument. You're just saying Windows 11 is garbage. It doesn't mean anything. You just are saying it to say it. You're not even explaining why. I like when somebody says in a comment, well, I hate Windows 11 because of this, that. All right, you told me why. But if you come here and say, oh, Windows 11 is garbage, your comment is kind of useless because you're not even saying why. So for me, it's more of you're just bashing Windows 11 and that's it. So personally, Windows 11 is fine. Personally, I got no problem with it. For all the people that are going nuts with, telemetry or Microsoft accounts and stuff, I agree with there should be an on-off switch. Absolutely. But personally, it's not really driving me crazy at all. And I actually like the fact that my Microsoft account gives me access to everything I want on every PC that's connected to that same Microsoft account, which I find so useful as a feature that I'm very happy to use one. But yep, there should be, the ability to do a local account if you don't want to. Absolutely. Telemetry, same thing. The amount of people that will switch it off are mostly enthusiasts. Most people don't even know that there are settings for telemetry within Windows. So, the majority of PCs would still continue sending telemetry because people have no idea. But that also, I think you should have a on-off switch, absolutely. And I think that the upcoming changes are going to be interesting on Windows 11. And personally, I'm one of those that, Windows 12 is going to happen at some point. That we know. It's just we don't know when. How much time does Microsoft want to continue spending on Windows 11 before they decide to move on? One thing for sure, it's that, I'll be happy to see Windows 12 when it arrives. And it's going to be an interesting new chapter in the Windows operating systems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.